guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and for today's tip, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily fill an icing bag. So in front of me, I have a disposable icing bag. I highly recommend this because it's less cleanup. I'm snipping the end off, and I'm putting my tip in the bag all the way to the end. And the key to this is to actually put the bag into a glass, and you're gonna fold it over itself and make a wide pocket for you to put your icing. And you're just gonna go ahead and spoon it in there. And squeeze the icing towards the end of the bag. And there you have it, a super easy, less messy way to fill an icing bag. So that's today's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it.